In Lago Bahiano, Panama, there are dark tunnels recently discovered that connect to the Caribbean Sea. These tunnels are inhabited by many types of fish, including cyclosomas, posilids, and cyprinodontidae. These fish have lived their entire lives in these tunnels, adapting smaller sizes, varying reproductive systems, and the ability to live in isolated areas, respectively. But they've also had to learn to coexist with something deadly. Lago Bahiano has always had some salt, and the salinity source was unknown until it was found that it connects to the ocean. It grows from 10 parts per thousand to the Caribbean's 35 parts per thousand. The lake has a year-round average temperature of 28 degrees Celsius. The floor of the cave is covered in stalagmite forests. A lot of the blue-green algae that has migrated over from the Caribbean Sea is being mined for its medicinal purposes. About 50 years ago, fish population started decreasing. Upon further inspection, we noticed tourists started going missing as well. All these occurrences had one thing in common: Lago Bahiano. Our small team decided to send in 2 of our best divers, but they never returned. We only have a small bit of recovered footage from their transmission. We decided to send in a silent video pod that is virtually indetectable. By having secret cameras, we were able to discover a completely new species of fish, the mermaid. We were also able to learn what she eats, the reason for the decrease in fish population and missing tourists, and learn more about the adaptations she has developed by living in the tunnels. Life for the mermaids is isolated. Almost nothing lives in the tunnels. The mermaids must leave its comfortable home for food, but that seems to comfort the mermaids, since they live together out of necessity and not social wants. Some strange adaptations the mermaid has acquired is shovel hands, bioluminescent tail, and the ability to survive in both salty and fresh water. The shovel hands seem to come from the fact that the tunnels are quite frequently collapsing. The bioluminescent tail comes from how incredibly dark the tunnels are, and the salmon-like adaptations are similar to the fish, but don't happen in stages of life, but throughout the day. The mermaid does not disrupt or move anything around in her environment. She generally only kills for hunger. She eats 3 fish previously mentioned, plants, and humans. Humans, however, are not exclusively killed for hunger, but also for safety. The mermaids seem to be at the top of the food chain, but have a short lifespan of 10 to 20 years. Because of the mermaid's hunger for human flesh, local stories and lore grew around the lake. Children were warned of going near Lago Bahiano, and for good reason. Years of bones and cameras have been found at the bottom of the lake. The mermaids enjoy their privacy. Here is the recovered video of the cave divers.